This vehicle is part of a road safety measure that Cumbria Police are putting out there to the public to show the harsh reality of what can happen when matters go wrong in a road traffic collision. The young lad in question, Jordan, who's unfortunately passed away as a result of that road traffic collision, had done a large number of modifications to his vehicle and lost control and crashed into a bridge parapet. Now, we're trying to get the message through to people that these incidents are extremely traumatic. We live in a very much a digital age these days where kids are on their PlayStations and Xboxes and they just press X and start again. What we really want to try and get through to them is when it goes wrong, it can go very badly wrong, and ultimately it's sort of game over. And we really want to show that this is a very visual, impactful statement as to watch your speed, watch how you drive, consider others when you're driving around. We're not suggesting Jordan had done anything particularly wrong other than perhaps getting his speed wrong in the location that it happened at. If you're going to modify your vehicle for any particular use, get it done professionally or get it checked out. There were some elements which could have affected the handling of the vehicle which contributed to it ultimately. Our overall message is road respect, consider others when you're driving, don't take drink and drugs, wear your seatbelt, don't get distracted by devices in the vehicle, and just keep that speed to appropriate speed to the conditions as well. This vehicle in particular will target the younger drivers most certainly. However, really any driver or any potential driver, just seeing, yes, it is an older vehicle and you can see how badly damaged it is. That when vehicles crash, it's not just like in a video game or on the television, films like the Fast and Furious. People do get hurt and injured, thrown out of vehicles, and the trauma doesn't stop there. We have to send specially trained officers to deliver the death messages to family, and that stays with them. We have to make sure those officers are all right in time if they deal with a large number of incidents like that. And ultimately, it's just to try and get the message through to people to just take your time, be careful out there. So here it is. It's we can see it in broad daylight. It'll be at the Carlisle City Centre this weekend for people to have a look at and just understand that. Just think twice before you put your foot down.